Just want to kind of show you my setup here, because lots of times the guys that are trying to kill a turkey without a blinder ask a lot of questions. So this is typically what I do. I'll set the decoys up a little bit behind me, and then you can see that as the turkey was approaching along here, then I was set up there. I was actually on my knees. I sit on the chair until the turkey gets close, and I usually get on my knees. But yeah, just set them back a little bit so so if they do hang up a little short, usually you can still get a shot. They've been hanging up short on me this year, so I brought the strutter today, and I think that was the difference.